Discover the secret to faster, easier, and better ironing thanks to the Easy Iron ironing board cover. Households all over the world are saving time and effort thanks to Easy Iron. Forget poorly fitted covers that slip all over the place, are paper thin, and let the mesh marks show on your clothes. The Easy Iron ironing board cover comes complete with ultra-thick padding already sewn into the cover. A perfect fit for almost any size board. The secret to the Easy Iron cover is in the padding that holds and reflects heat. Helps you iron both sides at the same time, slashing your ironing time in half. Iron over the back of buttons instead of the frustration ironing in between them. Available in fun, bright, and stylish designs to brighten up your ironing. Isn't it time you discovered faster, easier, and better ironing?